Let's go to the next one. Okay, my opponent is streaming. Hello, hello, hello. Bum, 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 bum. Doing great, doing great, doing great so far. Now we've been here for a while now, trying to survive this. Right, this has to be nice. Okay, how do they stop the? Oh, they could. I mean, I was pinned. Knight g4 has to be winning. They gotta give me that. But what if I play rook f4? Now, important thing in my experience is don't rush. Don't rush. Don't rush. Keep putting pressure. Keep putting pressure. Go, 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 go. Now we gotta be careful. You don't know how many times I've gotten happy tonight. I start bragging, and then boom, you get checkmated. Okay, we gotta do this. No, we gotta do this. Remember, don't give him anything, because if I just take, they're gonna give me this, fine, but then they take the pawn. Don't give him anything, not even the pawn. Not even the pawn. Not even the pawn. There's nothing for me here. You don't want to give me anything. Okay, don't run out of time, Robert. Important. Extremely important that you don't run out of time. And don't fall for tricks. I think we get the exchange anyways. We're up a pawn. We're gonna get the exchange. They say they don't care. Fine. We could take another pawn or not. This move was like desperation. Just don't run out of time, Robert. That's the only thing you need to do. Don't run out of time. Okay, fair. I could lose any game tonight, but this one I don't want to lose this one. Come on. This one would hurt. This one would hurt. That was mate. That was probably mate. I just didn't see it. And that would be my life, my chess life. When there's mate and you don't see it. And my opponents don't resign. That's another thing. All right. Dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, ba-bum. Pawn structure, aiming at the king side. Off we go. Now we target the pawn in front of our most forward pawn. So this is my most forward pawn. We gotta target this guy. King is getting exposed. We just don't care because the center is locked. And also, this bishop is acting as a pawn. So if you imagine two pawns here, you don't feel so bad about it. Okay, nothing is being attacked, honestly. F4 cannot be played. E4 is very interesting. But do we need that? Okay, why am I spending so much time? And this looks ugly. I spent almost a minute to make that move. It cannot be good. It cannot be good. Now don't forget that pawns, we want them like this next to each other. We control the center. We make it difficult for their pieces to maneuver. But okay, the knight came in. Now we play for. This bishop, I don't think it's gonna participate anytime soon. Gotta be careful with these tactics. They eliminate the rook, then they take the queen. So I gotta bring the other rook to defend this rook. Knight is not hanging because we have checkmate. G3, I think we just sack. Cha cha cha. Cha cha cha. This must be winning. Okay, long time. We're not the ones. Long time. So now even if we just play randomly, we should win this. We got that one. We got that one. If we're gonna do things right, start with that. Get your tactics in order. Once you get a good foundation, you move on to other openings. So E45, if you go to the YouTube channel, you're gonna see, and sorry that I keep referring you to a YouTube channel, but you're gonna see we covered the four knight Scotch. We talked about the Rui Lopez. We talked about that. The Italian is very popular at that level. So anything that allows you to develop your minor pieces, control the center, castle, just follow that. Follow those principles, you're gonna be fine. And I know it sounds like really, but yes, that's what you need to do. Every time, like I've talked to a few people on my channel, I have interviewed a few grandmasters, and we always talk about the same topic, and they always tell me, look, there are too many people out there trying to sell, so they make it all about the opening. Play this opening to win in 10 moves or to win fast. And what happens is that then people just think that by memorizing an opening, they're gonna win the game, and that's far from reality. So opening, don't worry about it, play whatever. As long as you control the center, develop the amount of pieces, castle, that's fine. Yeah, but don't make the mistake that many people make with openings, which is they try to memorize everything. Nope, just play it. Learn the first 5, 6, 7 moves, play it. And then you go back and review it. That's how you really learn the opening. All right, I think we just take. That's fine. I'm gonna take again. That's fine. I'm gonna take again. And then I castle. They could take. So bishop d7. No. Oh yeah. Okay, 155. Let me pay attention to my time here. I don't want to lose on time. Not today. Can I just castle? Is this pretty annoying? The answer is yes, and I'm spending so much time again. Okay, how do we deal with this? Okay, we don't castle yet. That's how we deal with this. You got it, guys. Happy to help. Happy to help. Now, rooks like open files, but even more to be on a square where they could control open files, open ranks. That's the best you could have for rook. That's why we like the 7th rank so much. At least we're gonna castle, maybe even more. Let me not get fancy. Castle first. This is not going anywhere. Tactics, you see, tactics. This is what we were talking about before. How did I know? I've done so many tactics. All right, let me go back here because first I got excited. That was a nice tactic. You don't get that often. But look, again, I'm activating my pieces. When your pieces are active, tactics are gonna be in the air. Now, I got my rook on the file, I'm pinning, so something is telling me, oh, maybe there's something. Immediately as my opponent was thinking, my brain is going for, can you add more pressure to it? Because I've done so many tactics, so many pins that I know what I'm looking for. Then the moment they played this fork, that's a fork. Then here, queen gets on the same diagonal as my bishop. I know I'm trained to look for the checks. Discover attack, forcing with a check. Now, nothing fancy. Anyone who has been doing tactics for a little bit, they could find this. Did anyone tell me there was a tactic? No, but again, those things are gonna light up if you've done enough. Now, I'm not talking about 50 tactics. I'm talking about hundreds, thousands,